Welcome back to Naturalhub. In this video, we'll delve deep into the world of herbal solutions that can calm your mind and bring relief from anxiety. From ancient favorites like lavender and chamomile to powerful adaptogens like ashwagandha, we'll explore how these herbs work and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine for a more peaceful life. If you're tired of relying solely on medications, join us as we unlock nature's secrets to a calmer mind and a happier you. Natural anxiety relief, herbal remedies to soothe your mind. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by anxiety? Do you long for a natural solution that can help you find peace and balance? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the world of herbal remedies, uncovering powerful plants that have been used for centuries to soothe the mind and ease anxiety symptoms. Get ready to discover the magic of nature's pharmacy. Lavender, the calming elixir. Let's start with lavender, a timeless favorite renowned for its calming properties. Whether you're inhaling its soothing aroma through essential oils or sipping on a warm cup of lavender tea, this herb can work wonders for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Imagine unwinding after a long day with the gentle embrace of lavender, nature's tranquilizer at your fingertips. Chamomile, nature's stress reliever. Next up, we have chamomile, known as nature's stress reliever. This gentle herb has a long history of calming nerves and soothing anxious minds. Picture yourself sipping on a steaming mug of chamomile tea, feeling the tension melt away as you embrace its warm, floral essence. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to a deeper, more restful sleep. Ashwagandha, the adaptogenic ally. Now let's explore ashwagandha, an adaptogenic herb that supports your body's natural stress response. Unlike traditional medications, ashwagandha helps your body adapt to stressors, making it a powerful ally in your quest for anxiety relief. Discover how incorporating ashwagandha into your daily routine can lead to a calmer, more resilient you. Lemon balm, clarity in a cup. Moving on to lemon balm, a lesser-known gem with remarkable calming effects. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing cup of lemon balm tea, feeling a sense of clarity wash over you. This herb not only promotes relaxation but also enhances mental clarity, making it ideal for navigating busy days with a calm and focused mind. Passion flower, nature's tranquilizer. Last but certainly not least, we have passion flower, a natural tranquilizer that can help ease anxiety symptoms. Whether you choose to enjoy passion flower tea or opt for a convenient tincture, this herb offers a gentle yet effective way to find peace amidst life's chaos. Say hello to a renewed sense of calm and well-being. Ready to embrace the healing power of herbs? Remember, these natural remedies can complement your existing anxiety management strategies. Consult with a healthcare professional to find the best herbal options for your unique needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural remedies and wellness tips. Thanks for tuning in to our journey towards a calmer, happier life.